guys, Carey with DrillFit Training. I'm going to show you all the cable external rotation with a band. This is going to be great for the shoulder, rotator cuff. It's also really good to pair with another secondary exercise as a superset. Whenever performing this exercise, the big movement is letting the cable come through, and then you want to just come up to make a box. Come forward, come up and make a box. Your hands should line up about with the top of your head. Elbows are dropped slightly below the shoulder. We want to keep a very tight, straight wrist. So actually, whenever I grab this band, I want to keep just my fingertips in it. It helps create a little bit more of a brace on your wrists versus having your whole hand in there. It tends to want to let the wrist break and pull forward.
We use the band to activate more of the stabilization muscle fibers, keep constant tension in the shoulder, and the band is wide enough to make the perfect box.
It's a very fluid, slower movement. You're going to get that full burn on the shoulders, and that is the cable external rotation with the band.